We are using matrix inverse method. For that we need determinants of a matrix and we need adjoint of a matrix. So you will answer me with the help of comments what is the meaning of what is determinant of a matrix and what is adjoint of a matrix. Now further I want to discuss the method, inverse method. I will take two equations and I will find out the unknown quantities for both. I am taking, let's suppose this is question number first. 2x plus 3y is equal to 10. 5x minus 2y is equal to 4. We need to find out the values of x and y, the unknown quantities. We have two equations here. The first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 10. Second equation is 5x minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay. So we will find out the values of x and y. For that purpose, first of all, we will take a matrix. A matrix will be matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 5, minus 2. Here the coefficient of 2x in 2x, this is a term having a coefficient is 2, the coefficient is here is 3, the coefficient is here is 5 and the coefficient is here is minus 2. Similarly, we will take x that is equal to x and y, two variables are using in this. This the first one is x, second one is y. And then we will find out b. B is 10 and 4. Now we need to find out the values of x and y. For that purpose, we will take, we know that this is the product of two matrices, matrix A and matrix X. If we will take their product, it will become 2x plus 3y, 5x minus 2y. So I can write down here Ax is equal to B. This is B, this is the product of A and X. Okay. Now we need X on left hand side alone. So that is why we will shift this A from left to right hand side. For that purpose, we need the help of A inverse. Taking A inverse on both sides. Taking A inverse on both sides. It will become A inverse A x is equal to A inverse B. Okay. Now we know that if a matrix multiplied to its inverse matrix, it will give us identity matrix. Okay. So A inverse multiplied by A, if we will take the product of two matrices A inverse and matrix A, it will give us identity matrix. It will become identity matrix multiplied by x is equal to A inverse B. Now if identity matrix multiply with any other matrix, it will give us the same result like identity multiplied by matrix X is equal to matrix X. So it will become X is equal to A inverse B. This implies that XY this implies that XY is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into B. Okay. A inverse, we know that A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A, adjoint of A. I asked you as before that you will just answer me about what is determinant of A and what is adjoint of A. Okay. Now we will have 1 by determinant of A, this is adjoint of A and B, but I will check the time. Okay, 1 by determinant of A, adjoint of A into B, we will find out here determinant of A. Determinant of A will become 2, 3, 5 and minus 2. This is a matrix A. This is determinant of a matrix A. Matrix is a matrix. Determinant of A is any real number. Okay. So we will take the product of two entries that are lying on primary diagonal, which will become 2 minus 2, then minus 5 and 3. It will become 2 2s are minus 4, 5 3s are minus 15, which is equal to minus 19. You know that minus 19 is non-zero, so that is why if we will have determinant is equal to 0, so it will be non-singular matrix, and we can find out the values or the values of unknown quantities in this equation if we will have non-singular matrix. So non-singular matrix is here, so we can continue the process. After that we will find out adjoint of A. Now adjoint of A is equal to, in adjoint of A, this is primary diagonal. We will change the position of these two entries. This minus 2 will come from this position to this position. It will become minus 2, and this 2 will move from this position to this position. It will become just 2. And we will change the signs that are lying in secondary diagonal. Secondary diagonals have 5, secondary diagonals have 3. So we will change them. It will become minus 3 and it will become minus 5. This is minus 3, this is minus 5. 3 will become minus 3, 5 will become minus 5. Similarly, minus 2 will come here and 2 will come there, right? Now, adjoint of A is here, determinant of A is here. We will put the values here in this equation number first. Putting the values in equation number first. This implies that xy is equal to 1 by determinant of A is minus 19. Adjoint of A is minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 and 2. And we will have B is 10 and 4. Okay. This is 1 divided by minus 19. And we will take the product of these two matrices. How to take the product? This is first row, this is second row, and this is just a column in the second matrix. We will take their product, the first entry of the first row multiplied to the first entry of the first column, second entry of the first row multiply with the second entry of the second column, and we will take their sum again. So it will become minus 2 multiplied by 10 is minus 20 plus 4 3s are minus 12. So it will become minus 12. Similarly, minus 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to minus 50 plus 4 2s are 8. Okay. So after that, this implies that xy is equal to 1 by minus 19, and it will become minus 20 and minus 12. It will become minus 32, and similarly minus 50 plus 8, it will become minus 42. So x and y here have, it will become minus 32 divided by minus 19. This is a scalar multiplication. 1 divided by minus 19 multiplied by minus 32. And we know that minus 32 have a denominator 1. So that is why 1 multiplied to minus 32 and minus 19 multiplied to 1 here. It will become minus 32 divided by 19. And similarly, minus 42 divided by minus 19. This minus and minus sign will be cancelled to each other, and we will have x is equal to 32 divided by 19 and y is equal to 42 divided by 19. Okay. So You know that if we will have two equal matrices, these both are equal matrices. Equal matrices are the matrices if their corresponding entries or their the order of two matrices are equal. This its order is 2 by 1, and this order is the order of this matrix is also 2 by 1. So that is why these both will be equal to each other, and two equal matrices have the corresponding entries will be congruent will be equal to each other. Like x is equal to 32 divided by 19 and y is equal to 42 divided by 19. And if you want to check your answer is correct or not, for that purpose you will put x and y in one of them. Just like 2x plus 3y is equal to 10, you will put the value of x here, you will put the value of y here. If you will get 10, it means your answer is correct. Okay, you will answer me about it, your answer is correct or not. Okay, thank you so much.